Welcome to the Pisces Alchemist, where I will be giving you a 3-card reading today. This is the first full moon of 2026, January the 3rd. This is a 3-card reading, a general reading for all signs. This is 3 cards, one for the past, one for the present, and one for the future. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest. The overall energy of the reading is 2 of Pentacles. So juggling, is that what that represents? Juggling 2 ideas. As we can see here, the King of Wands for the past, 5 of Cups for the present, and the Wheel of Fortune for the future. So what I'm getting here is the King of Wands, that stubborn energy of I've got this, I'm going to sit on my throne, I'm the doer, there's nothing I need. Well, and then you look at the present moment, and it's 5 of Cups, which, yes, it's like looking at the empty cups that have dumped over versus the 2 cups there that are upright. So in this present moment, maybe thinking about changing your perspective. So in the Wheel of Fortune for future outcomes is once you're able to see that your 2 of Cups here is still full, you can take that into a good future. So that wraps it up for the 3-card reading for this full moon. This is the wolfsupermoon. So please enjoy this and like, comment, share, and subscribe.